Out of 50 people, 49 were killed. One was wounded with a very serious injury.
Russian forces once again tried to reach positions of Ukraine's 79th Brigade. Unfortunately for them, they were met with all sorts of weaponry: FPVs, artillery, mortars, mines, and grenades. The attack was repelled. This is the reason why Russians have so many casualties. It's a carnage. It's a slaughter, and Russians are simply playing their roles of sheeps going in the meat factory. Sad, very sad. Russia is sending 18-year-old kids to their death in Kursk. With empty coffers, monetary incentives are no longer sufficient to drag volunteers to sign a contract with the army. Yesterday, they sent 50 boys. 49 died and one is heavily wounded. Just listen to this Russian soldier. It's the best explanation in a while what is going on.
Folks, what I want to say about the war in general, how I ended up in the special military operation. What is this special military operation and what the situation is like here. Folks, I would like to tell you, it's very scary. Compared to how fervent I am, how back and forth, how I am myself, as a military person, as someone in the special military operation, I would tell you, yes, it is very scary. Special military operation is not just scary, it is painful. It is scary, it is painful. You know, you need very strong endurance. Initially, I had no endurance at all when I was running away from birds in a bulletproof vest, with a gun, you know, with a backpack, with a sleeping bag. It was just terrifying, you know, like, it's unbearably terrifying, really. You are out of breath, running, and you have this fear. The basic instinct kicks in, your heartbeat gets stronger. Everything becomes harder and harder, folks. I just want to say, anyone who wants to go to the special military operation, anyone who wants to sign a contract for, say, 3 million, well, now it might already be 5 million. Yes, for those who want to sign a contract for that money, well, I don't know, it's up to you. I don't want to block your way somehow, I don't want to push you off your path, but I myself fell for those 3 million, which people in Belgorod did not sign. I would honestly give all these 3 million right now to get home. People yesterday, literally just yesterday, 50 people left. Today, one wounded in very critical condition was returned, a category 3 casualty. Out of 50 people, 49 were killed. One was wounded with a very serious injury. And I don't know, he was taken to the hospital and it's just unclear whether he will survive or not. I don't know how later. In the future, it will all just turn around on him, people. Just don't fall for these, honestly, 3 million. And by the way, these 3 million, 5 million, what's promised, it's not given to everyone, people. It's half and half a scam, believe me. Maybe they might initially send you something like some initial allowance, and that's it. I still don't see my 3 million yet. They promised to send me 3 million to my card in a month for signing the NATO contract. I still haven't seen any 3 million. Initially, some allowance came to me, like 50,000, that's all. 50,000 came to me for equipment, you understand. And still, I bought the bulletproof vest myself. You buy the magazines yourself, you buy the pants yourself. Yes, but then, so people just don't fall for it. It's just bait, you see. A one-way ticket, remember that. SVO is a one-way ticket. And also, I don't know, they want me to now. They want to send me there for the assault, right to the hottest spots, folks. I don't know what to do. That's just today when they told me. Maybe tomorrow or the day after, basically, you're going into assault too. Yesterday, the people who went into assault, today they're not here. It's just a complete meat grinder there, you know, a meat grinder. You could say a slaughterhouse, especially near Kursk, near Kursk. People just don't fall for it. A one-way ticket, I tell you. Once you get here, it will be, oh well, maybe I won't die, maybe I won't, well, at least I'll get tons of cash here and housing and all that. Folks, it won't be like that, it won't. It's a one-way ticket, and if you return, it might be as a casualty. If not as a casualty, but that's very rare. Casualties don't come back. I myself already have 3 injuries, you understand? I got 2 injuries as a civilian when I worked in Belgorod, and 1 injury I got here. So you get aside, so people don't fall for it. God bless you all. I wanted to say congratulations to everyone today. By the way, today is Epiphany. Happy holiday to everyone. So PAP or Christians, basically, people take care of yourselves. I just want to say, people take care of yourselves and don't fall for this provocation. It's just a provocation, just cannon fodder, that's it. Literally nothing more. Yesterday 50 people left and 1 came back in critical condition. So think about it before risking your life for some 3 million or 5 million.
A Russian soldier from the Irishman UAV unit on the effectiveness of shooting medics, evacuation groups, prisoners and civilians. Bastards.
Medics are being shot, evacuation groups are being shot, medical evacuation vehicles are being shot, often civilians are shot, prisoners are shot. Is it effective? Well, yes, of course, in most cases it's effective. You scold, let's say, a fighter, 4 more come running to carry him out. You hit these 4 and you already have 5 less for the enemy. Then their evacuation vehicle starts moving, you hit the evacuation vehicle and they lose a vehicle and maybe 2 more medics. Of course, all this is effective.
A Russian tank belonging to the 38th Separate Guards Motor Rifle Brigade was destroyed near Marfapol, Zaporizhzhia region. Work by the 65th Mechanized Brigade. Sweden is investing in the Ukrainian defense industry, in particular to increase the production of long-range weapons, the Ministry of Defense of Ukraine announced. The Swedish government will allocate the funds as part of a new large package of military assistance to Ukraine, which is expected to be approved soon. The Ukrainian Defense Ministry stated that Deputy Defense Minister Serhiy Boyev met with Brigadier General Johan Axelsson, Director of the Technical Systems Testing and Evaluation Department of the Swedish Defense Materiel Administration. During the conversation, Axelsson noted that a positive decision by the Swedish government to allocate a new military assistance package to Ukraine is expected soon. It is noted that it should be the largest since the beginning of the full-scale Russian invasion. According to the Ministry of Defense, it is expected that, in addition to providing weapons, this aid package will include investments in Ukrainian defense production, in particular to increase long-range capabilities. This could include support for the production of domestic long-range attack drones and Neptune cruise missiles, which are increasingly hitting the targets of the aggressor country. The funding will be provided under the Danish model, which aims to purchase weapons from Ukrainian manufacturers in accordance with the proposals and needs of the Ukrainian Defense Forces.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.